Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello and welcome. Today's video is a little baggie. Today we can finally get back to our Feelunique pick and mix. I'm just going to make this as quick as possible, otherwise I will ramble on. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come follow me on Instagram. All of my details will be noted down below, and let's do this. Okay, so if you don't know what a Feelunique pick and mix is, an online beauty like Beauty Bay and Cult Beauty, things like that, you can order up to 5 sample products, or like skincare. They're all more of them like premium, like skincare, perfumes, shampoos and conditioners, makeup, body lotions, oils, serums, all that good stuff. And you can get up to 5 of these sample products, and all you pay is postage and packing, which is $3.95. I obviously haven't been able to order any of the pick and mix range from Feelunique since everywhere went into lockdown. So since March we haven't been able to order anything like that because obviously it's not an essential item, which is fine. So Feelunique have now got back to normal, and we can now order our sample items. So the sample items are, I love them. They are, my favourite is probably the perfumes. I'm looking outside, it's raining really hard now. I just said I was going to take the dog for a walk after I filmed this. God damn it. So my favourite items to order are usually the perfumes. You get them in little bottles. I'm pretty sure I've got perfumes in this little baggie here. So they're enough for a weekend. They're enough for a good old squirt. You can see whether you like it, rather than spending a stupid amount of money on a perfume that you're not going to like. And obviously when everyone gets back to normal, we don't know whether we are going to still be able to get samples. You know, I don't know whether you're going to be able to go into shops and sample perfumes and moisturizers and things like that. I don't know whether I don't know whether you're going to be able to, is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, so it's come in a little jiffy bag. I ordered these a couple of days ago, so they've taken just a couple of days, which is quite good. And it's also really good for like your skincare. It's a good idea to order these so you know whether or not you're allergic to it or not, if it's going to break you out, if it is something that you are going to use. So I love them, and they are so good just to go. I've got a bag. This bag here is full of samples and travel size items, which are so good for just a weekend. Let's get to the first item. The first item is the Madara, I think it's called. And this is an SPF of 30 plant stem cell age defying sunscreen. No white residue. Apply a layer on its own or over moisturiser. Well, I have just put my moisturiser on, so let's just open that up. So you get plenty for, I say that, it doesn't feel like there's anything in this. You get plenty to sample, so you get plenty to know whether your skin is going to react to it. What the hell? So it's, can you see that? It is in fact tinted. Oh no, I squirted far too much out. Hold on. So let's, doesn't smell, it doesn't smell like a sunscreen. I'm gonna have to use that bit that's poking up the top, aren't I? No, it definitely doesn't smell like a sunscreen. And as you can see, when it goes on my skin, it has got a colour. What does that smell like? It smells like something else that I've got. I swear to God, if it's lavender, I am... Right. Hold on. I think I've got something from this brand. Oh, it's got hyaluronic acid in it. Essential oils. Aloe. Oh, this breakthrough sunscreen provides high protection with invisible, flawless nude skin finish. Nice little glow there. That's definitely got enough in there for another few goes, and that's, I thought it was going to be like a tinted moisturiser, but, and it's not too greasy feeling. I also got from the same brand, actually, this is the Hyaluronic Anti-Pollution CC Cream. Oh, so this has got a colour to it. Colour correcting formula, scientifically proven to shield the skin from urban toxins for a pristine, clear complexion. And this is in the shade medium. Oh, hold on. Oh, this was in shade Invisible. And this is SPF of 15. Radiant finish, natural certified and gluten-free. Apply a layer after a moisturiser. Well, I've just put that on, so I don't want to put this one on as well. But I'm sure I will try it and put it on my Instagram stories. This is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. It's an exfoliate and purified tired lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalised and radiant. Apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. And that obviously, that comes in, how much do you get in that one? 3 millilitres. I didn't have a look at this one. This was a 2. These two were 2 millilitres. So it's a good couple of goes. Let me just open this and see, because I'm probably going to use this tonight actually. Oh, that smells like roses. That smells... Oh, what does that smell like? I want to lick it. Make my mouth water now. Well, it's obviously papaya. Oh, pineapple. Oh, flipping hell, that's gorgeous smelling that is. And it's just a... It's like a white cream. Can you see that in there? I can't get it out because it's right at the bottom. I don't want to squidge too much out. Let me stick my finger in. So it's a thick, quite a thick white. Oh, and that smells, it smells kind of like a shampoo. That smells like a shampoo. That smells delicious. So I'm going to use that tonight, I think. And then I have 2 perfumes. So this is the Saint Laurent Libra. These come in 1.2 milliliters. Wow, it's a bit, can you see? So you get a good few squirts. Let me, oh gosh, right. Missed my arm completely then. Oh, that's nice. That's very strong. That's a goey outie. Usually it says, let me open it up. Cool. The first floral lavender for a singular trail like a breath of freedom. Frigging the organic orange blossom flower. Yeah, from Morocco, luminous and sensual white flower, twisted by the lavender from France. Maybe I subconsciously actually like lavender. Maybe that is my problem. Anyway. And the second one I got was Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One. And this one comes in a 1.5, so slightly more. And I'm just going to spray this on this one. Oh, that's like a candy flossy. That's very... It's funny how perfumes smell so different when you first spray them. Oh, that's nice. But that's a very, you know, the candy kind of smells. I'm just giving myself head rush, keep sniffing. Oh, and that was my 5 items. Very quick and to the point, but it is just meant to be quick. Shut up. A couple of perfumes, a couple of skin care with SPF, and then that peel there as well. I'm definitely gonna try those out. I love my perfumes, love both of those. They will go in my baggie. As I said, it is only $3.95. You get 5 samples. There are pages upon pages. I've got lots of Charlotte Tilbury stuff, all like makeups. There's skincare, perfumes, hair care, body care, serums, all sorts. I'll link some of the other Feelunique boxes or parcels, baggies, whatever you want to call them. I'll link those so you can have a look and see what items I have got previously. I love my samples. I love them, I love them, I love them. They are a great way to see if you like a smell. They're a great way to see if you like a certain makeup product. They're brilliant for seeing if, you know, a certain skincare is going to break you out or not, or if it's something you will use. It's also really, really good for just taking them away with you. So a little weekend, get a little thing of this, of eye cream, that'll do you for the weekend, no problem. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye.